Hey guys, Everything Like Now 2 here, and thank you for making my channel up to 400 subscribers. Really, I appreciate it. This is going to be mini fire alarm system test 9, so let's get started. Okay, we got the panel, like usual. So yeah, we got a 270 SPO, the Edwards. Got a Wheelock MT24 LSM VFR set to high-low. Got the 2151, then with the B112. And got the Exceeder, Wheelock Exceeder STR. It's just set to, I can't even tell, I think it's set to 15. So we'll get a screwdriver. So let's go and let's pull it right now. Silence. Okay, we're not silenced, you can see on the relay latching panel. Reset a pull. And give it a reset. Okay. Now let's do the 2151. So I'm going to get the magnet tester. We'll test with magnet. So yeah, so let's go ahead and test it. Silence. You can see it's activated now. Give it a reset to our smoke detector switch. Off. I'm going to turn it back on to our switch. We're now on level silence. You can see. And we'll give it a reset. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. There you go. You can kind of see it now. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys liked it. And also thank you for the 400 subscribers. I appreciate it.